This video introduces the procedure for changing bottles. When changing bottle types, the bottle blocking units need to be adjusted. Normally, the two blocking units hold 4 bottles in place. For larger bills, the spacing between these 4 bottles must be increased. By loosening these screws here, you can widen the distance to fit the new bottle size. Simply loosen the screws under the bottle blocking unit here, then move it freely and adjust it to the proper position. When switching to taller bottles, the receiving unit also needs to be raised. As for how to access this interface, I won't go into extra details here. Just follow the on-screen instructions when needed. Before raising the receiving unit, the filling head must return to the home position. The screen should show the current position as 0 and the filling head will be back at its starting point. This is an incorrect operation. When raising the receiving box, it must not come into direct contact with the filling head. The correct practice is to keep a proper gap between the receiving box and the filling head and also maintain some distance from the bottle mouth below. Please note, when tall bottles pass through the photoelectric sensor for in-feed and out-feed counting, the sensor detects the gap between bottles. So, when switching to taller bottles, raise the frame slightly, align the sensor with the bottle mouth gap until the indicator flashes, and then tighten the screws.